It's the most wonderful time of the year.
So I'm going to create a beautiful beach style Christmas ornament that you just saw in the video, and I'm going to cut this ribbon by going around the ball. So I already know by using the actual ball as my mold. So we're gonna need a funnel, and that's how you start. We are going to use the Dollar Tree store sand, and that's the base of our Christmas ornament. This is a cutter cup, and that's all you need. You just wanted to create the sand beach look, but you don't want to make too heavy either. So this is 18 inches, and I'm just gonna cut in fours. So I cut in half, then I fold it, cut in half again, fold it, half again, fold it, cut in half again. Now I'm going to cut those in an angle, and I'm going to cut those in an angle. The reason I cut in an angle is because once I insert those little pieces into the ball, is going to fill in the gap. I recommend. Okay, so this is ready. Now I'm going to use my glue gun. Forgive me for my glue gun, guys. It's fairly old, but it still do its job, so that's what matters, right? So I'm going to do the tip first, and this ornament from the Dollar Tree store, you can see the division, which is exactly the middle of it, and this is where I'm going for. Okay, so I'm going to go right on the edge. Oops. Okay, and now I'm going to go to the other side. So I'm going to do a little bit at the bottom just to make sure it's solid there. Okay. And now I'm going to use my second. Again, aiming for the middle. So now I'm gonna go with the starfish, and I use 4 different sizes. I got this bag at the Amazon. There were 90 in there, different sizes, and they were about $8. So this is the front of my starfish, and I'm aiming for the middle. Second one, opposite side, again the middle, and then I have the smaller ones because we don't want to do too much. We still want to see the beautiful sheer on the inside and the sand. And all done. So now I put this back where it belongs. All done. Nice, unique, and a beautiful Christmas ornament for your beach style Christmas tree. So those are smaller sizes, and they come in a set of 2, also from the Dollar Tree store. So here's going to be 1/8 of a cup of sand. Ta-da. So this is a very nice final touch. I found those on Amazon. Those are Christmas ornament hooks with a little gem on it. And it was, I believe it was 30 for $8. And look how adorable. I love it. I think it just makes this much more special. So simple, but yet so nice.